Hello Revolotto family, in today's video, we're going to learn how to buy Revolotto coins. You must have a Trust Wallet or MetaMask wallet installed on your device. In this tutorial, we'll use Trust Wallet. Let's get started. Now install a Trust Wallet on your device. Trust Wallet or MetaMask is available on both Android and iOS devices. Once you have downloaded and installed the app, open Trust Wallet and tap on Create a new wallet. In the next step, you will receive your 12-word recovery phrase, which acts as a backup for your funds. Importantly, it is strongly recommended to do your backup now and store it somewhere safe. Now type the recovery phrase here. There is no way to change or recover your 12-word phrase if it's lost or forgotten. If you lose your recovery phrase, you will lose your funds with it. Don't share your secret recovery phrase and private keys. And that's it, you're done. To buy Revolotto coins, you must have Smart Chain BNB in your Trust Wallet. You can buy Revolotto with any other cryptocurrency, but you need Smart Chain BNB for a gas fee. Now tap on the Receive button on the BNB page to copy the wallet address. Now we have to send the funds to our Trust Wallet using Binance Exchange. Open the Binance application, open the Wallet section, make sure you have BNBs in the spot wallet on your Binance account. You can transfer any digital currency from Binance to your Trust Wallet, but right now we will transfer BNB. Now tap on the Withdraw button and choose the BNB. Paste your wallet address into the address box at the top. Make sure you have selected BEP20 network. Now choose the amount you want to transfer to your Trust Wallet. Tap on the Withdraw button to proceed the transaction. It's done. Now the transaction has successfully completed and the BNB has been transferred into the Trust Wallet. It may take a few minutes to appear the transferred BNB into your Trust Wallet. Now let's open the Trust Wallet again. And as you can see, the Smart Chain BNB has appeared in the Trust Wallet. Now we will guide you that how you can buy Revolotto. If you have an iOS device, so open the Safari browser and visit the website PancakeSwap.finance. But if you have an Android device, so you have to open the D-Apps section in your Trust Wallet to open the PancakeSwap.finance. Now tap on the Connect Wallet button to connect your wallet. Now tap on the Wallet Connect button and tap on the Trust Wallet icon. If you have a MetaMask wallet, so you can tap on the MetaMask icon here. Once you connect your wallet, now go back to the PancakeSwap.finance. Tap on the menu and go to the Trade option. Now copy the Revolotto contract address from Revolotto official website, and paste it here. Do not forget to adjust a slippage tolerance of 25%. Remember that you must have a BNB worth 50 cents to buy a Revolotto. You can buy Revolotto with any other cryptocurrency, such as USDT or BUSD, but remember that for the gas fee, you must have a BNB worth about 50 cents. It's done. This is how you can purchase Revolotto from your Trust Wallet. Now, we have to add Revolotto to the Trust Wallet to show the balance of the purchased Revolotto coins. Tap on the toggle sign on the upper right corner of the wallet screen. Search for the Revolotto, and if the coin is not available, you can scroll down to the bottom of the list and click Add Custom Token button. Fill up the details now, make sure to change network to Smart Chain. Now paste the Revolotto contract address here. You can copy the Revolotto contract address from our official website, revolotto.org. Revolotto successfully added. On the main wallet screen, the Revolotto will now appear. Since this is still a new cryptocurrency, the logo will not be available. Thanks a lot for watching the video. For more videos, do not forget to subscribe to our official YouTube channel. Stay connected, stay safe. Hold is gold. For more information, be sure to read the Revolotto white paper.